Jr. here, the self-made visionary, and in this video I'm going to go over with you guys on how to convert traffic over to buyers, okay? But before we get started, if this is the kind of stuff you're interested in, online marketing, business, entrepreneurship, then this is definitely the channel to follow. I'm pushing out content like this on a daily basis to help you guys get your business to the next level, okay? So let's get right into it. So how do we turn traffic into buyers, right? First of all, we have to identify the problems here on why they don't turn into buyers, why that traffic doesn't buy from you. And one of the reasons is because we're showing a specific group of people our offer, right? But then some of those people probably don't even have any interest in our offer, and that's one of the main reasons why people don't buy. Let's just say, for example, we're showing a vegan product, that we're trying to sell a vegan product only for vegans, and that traffic that we're getting, those people aren't even interested in the first place, and we're sending them over to our offer and they have no intent of buying, right? So that's one of the main reasons why people don't buy. Another reason, and a really big reason, is because straight up they just don't trust you. They don't trust whoever's behind that product. They don't know you at all, right? You've never given them any value. You haven't built a relationship with them. And that's what we're going to be talking about today, on how to build a relationship, which is the stuff that's in between traffic and buyers, okay? Which is the correct offer and a relationship built, okay? So you got to think about it yourself. Obviously, if somebody presents something to you and they want you to buy it, you're going to be kind of skeptical. You're going to have to think about it. You don't really know who they are. Opposed to somebody has provided value to you, somebody who or if you've seen around before, you'd probably buy from them, right? So that's the key ingredient that a lot of people aren't even talking about, and it's one of the most important things, okay? So you have to build trust in between. You have to send traffic and over to you want to convert traffic into buyers. But when you send traffic over to the sales page and your offer and stuff, you're not going to build a relationship like that. You have to put them in a process of you building a relationship with them, okay? So I'm going to break down how you guys can do that. So when you have traffic, whether it's paid or organic, right, you want to, like I said, build a relationship with them. But if you're just getting your offer, if you're just sending traffic over to, the sales page where your offer is, then they're most likely not going to buy, and you're never going to see them ever again, right? But if you send them over to a landing page with a specific offer that is correlated to your niche and your product or service or whatever it is you're selling, then you're taking that factor into getting somebody who's actually interested in your product or service or offer, okay? So when you put something in front of cold traffic and it relates to them and they're interested in it, they're then going to want to, obviously they're validating themselves that they have an interest in your product or service if you put an offer in front of them that is already related to that offer. So I'm going to give you guys an example so you guys can really understand this. So let's just say, I always use the fitness niche. Let's go ahead and say I have a fitness offer. I'm in the fitness niche and I have an online coaching program that I'm trying to get people to sign up to, right? So let's just say I have a training, like I said, an online coaching program. So let's just say I bring traffic, over to what is called my ad. Okay, so I'm bringing traffic to my ad, and in my ad, I'm offering a free ebook on how to lose weight, how to lose 10 pounds in 4 weeks, something like that, right? So this is the ad that I have, and I am sending traffic to it. So whether that's paid traffic or organic traffic, I'm sending traffic over to my offer. Now, when I do that, they go ahead and enter in their email address, because I'm going to ask for their email address in return. This is a key part in the relationship building process. I'll get more into that. So they enter in their email address so that they can get the ebook, right? But it's actually not on, let's just say it's not on the ad. This is the actual ad. And then this is the landing page that they go to when they click on that ad, and they have to enter in their email address to get that ebook. Okay, so email, boom. They put in their email address, and then now we have validated that this person who clicked on our ad is interested in fitness because they want to get and receive a book, an ebook based on fitness, right? So that validates that first problem that I was talking about sending the offer, your offer to the wrong people, right? So now that we've validated that process, we collect their email address, and then now we can store that into, I'm just gonna put it over here, an email autoresponder software that collects emails, okay? So this is the email software that's storing email addresses that we collect. Now we send them over to the actual ebook, okay? And in the ebook, there's a ton of value in there about, weight loss, and talking about, how they can lose weight in 10 days or whatever. And then what this is doing right here, as we're offering them free value, that's when the relationship process starts, okay? So when they read that ebook from us, they get to know who we are, they know that we've given them value, and then we, then after the ebook, we pre-educate them, and then we send them over to our sales page. Now when they go to the sales page, this is where they can sign up for my online fitness coaching program, all right? So this process right here, I'm giving value. I'm not just asking for something in return. I'm not just, saying, hey, buy this product or buy my service. I'm giving them value first. I'm educating them on why they need my product, right? So when I do that, when I send them over to a sales page, they're either gonna buy or they're not, okay? Usually a lot of people don't buy on the first time because, like I said, the whole trust thing. But here's where it gets interesting and we start to build a real relationship. So now that we've collected their email address, we are going to be able to send them emails at any given moment and set up actually what is called an email sequence of emails, okay? We get to be in front of them. We've started the online building process, the relationship building process, okay? So now that they trust us enough to give us their email address, we give them something in return, and then we send them to a sales page and they buy or not. If they buy, that's perfect. But if they don't, it's okay because we're gonna have contact with them, and this is where the relationship building process works. So inside of these emails that we can set up to send out every day, okay? When we set that up inside our email autoresponder software, we get to send them emails anytime we want to. We can set up an email sequence that continuously sends them emails, and then we can build a relationship with them. How? Well, in each of these emails, a lot of the times people just bombard offers, their product and stuff in front of them, but you want to build a relationship with them first. You want to continuously give them value, educate them. Let's say I'm going to educate them on more fitness tips on how to, lose weight, specific exercises, get them to really trust me because I'm giving them value. I'm giving them stuff for free, right? I'm giving them tips. I'm helping them along the way. And I'm only offering products that I know I can help them with. So I have a solution to their problem that's being identified here with the ad, because them opting into the ebook specifically catered to people who are trying to lose weight, and I know that they're interested in that and they have that problem, or in some way have a problem like that, and I have a solution to that with my online coaching program. So each of these emails, I can be building a relationship with them, sending them to my Instagram page, sending them to my YouTube videos, sending them to my Facebook group or my Facebook page. And then here, I can build a relationship with them too by posting daily, about my coaching program, get them more familiar with who I am, show them the back end stuff of my life, show them that I'm a normal human being, and build a relationship. See, this is really key, Because once you've collected their email address, you're going to be able to be in front of them, right? You're going to keep giving them value, and then you could even you could plug in your Instagram, your Facebook, your YouTube for another way to build more of a relationship with them. So now that they have your, they know who you are, they know what you offer, they know you give tons of value, they know that you're a human being, they're going to build what's called rapport with you, and they're going to relate to you, and they're going to like you. And then when people like you and they know that you have an offer available for them that is going to solve a specific problem, then they will turn into a buyer when they are ready, okay? So when you send traffic, you don't just send them straight to a sales page. No, you send them over to an offer, that's giving value for free. That's how you introduce yourself to somebody. You don't just walk up to somebody and be like, here, buy this. You walk up to somebody and you say, hey, I noticed you have this problem or something. Here's a free book on, how you can do that. Or have you tried this? Or just give them tips. That's how you build a relationship. You give value up front first without expecting anything in return at first, right? So you just want to provide as much value in this, because that's what's going to build a relationship. And that's the key to turning traffic into buyers, guys. It's a relationship process, okay? You have to build a relationship. So as you're sending out emails, right, and as you're staying in front of them on Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook, they're getting to know you more. They're starting to like you. They're starting to build trust with you. Now the next time that you offer your product, they're going to buy from you, okay? And that's how you turn traffic into buyers. And once a buyer, buys from you, that's even more of a trust factor. So they've bought from you already. You can go ahead, let's say they bought my online coaching program. And then let's say I go on move later to creating my own supplement. And then I can access, my Instagram and all my social media and my email list. Here's the asset. These are the assets, right? My email list and my social media, okay? My social media and my email list is my asset, so I can be in front of that audience, and then I can just say, hey guys, I just came out with a new product. It's a supplement that'll help you, lose weight in a specific way, help you build muscle, things like that. And then you could just go ahead and just market to your already existing audience, because you're already in that process of turning, traffic into buyers, okay? Because you've already built that relationship, right? So that is really all there is to it, guys. Now, if you guys don't understand what this is, like this is a sales funnel, right? This is a sales page. This is an email autoresponder. If you guys are interested more about that and how you can start your own online business, I have a free in-depth 4-day training that explains all of this in super depth, because this right here is called a sales funnel, and this is how you're able to build relationships with them when you collect their asset, when you collect their email address. And the only way to do that is if you build a sales page and a sales funnel, right? So this is an email opt-in page, obviously, and this is the ebook that we offer to them, which could be in a sales page or in part of a web page in our funnel, and then we can send them over and actually create a sales page for ourselves using a specific software. Now I know back in the day, you have in order to build a sales funnel like this and web pages and websites, it takes a lot of coding, a lot of hard work, and it was just really, it's super complicated. I don't even know anything about coding or anything like that, and I have a digital marketing agency where I build out sales funnels like this for clients in order to generate leads, sales, and awareness to their brand and their company, right? So I don't even know any of that coding stuff. I do it with drag and drop format with an amazing software. You can go ahead and check that out. It's going to be everything that you need to know about sales funnels, connecting an email autoresponder, training on how to set all this up is all in there. I highly suggest you go check that out, because it's high level training that I'm offering to you guys for free, because this honestly is the training that I wish I would have had in the very beginning when I first started, okay? And there's an opportunity to work close with me in there where I pretty much do 90% of the work for you. There's a lot of good stuff in there, so I highly suggest you guys go check that out if you guys are interested. But guys, this is the whole process, right? So this is how you turn cold traffic into warm traffic, into hot traffic, into buyers, guys, into buyers, and build your audience. You know, this is the same stuff that, you know, digital marketing agencies are using, people building their personal brands, affiliate marketers, you know, people who have e-com businesses. This is the stuff that they use that gets them to the next level in business. All right, guys. So that's all that I have for you guys today. Like I said, go ahead and check out that free in-depth training down below at broderickolitanjr.com. I hope you guys got value out of this, guys. Remember to take action, and I will see you guys in the next video. Take care for now.